In this video, we are going to see how to install Ubuntu on virtual machine, or we can say virtual box as well. So for this, first of all, you need to go to your browser and then search for download Ubuntu. So this is download Ubuntu, you can see. And now from here you can download. If it not popping up on your screen, then just go to this link. I will provide this link on description as well. So click on this, and then here you can see a download Ubuntu desktop button. So click on it, and it is a Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS. LTS means long-term support. So it is supporting us till 2027, and the second is 23.10, but it is not recommended as it is not long-term support. It is not supporting for a long time, so it is not recommended to install. If you wish, you can install it, but it is not recommended. I am installing this version, so just click on download this, download 20. So it will start downloading. So here you will see that it will start downloading. You can see it is started downloading. So actually I have downloaded already, so I am canceling it. So then just go to virtual machine and then open this. So I am opening this, so it has been opened. Then now you click on new button, then name your virtual machine. So you can name anything you want. I am naming Ubuntu, and now it is folder where you want to install your machine. So I want to install in default drive, so I am not changing it. Now it is asking for ISO image. So what you have downloaded? You have downloaded a ISO image of a operating system. So just refer to it. So click on other. Now you can see here it it is I downloaded this file, 5 GB file. So click on it, then open. Then it automatically detected the type and version of the system. So skip unattended installation. So nothing, no, I am not. Then click on next. Can't overwrite machine folder. So what happening now? So canceling it. Can't overwrite machine folder. So actually I have created here. So I have to go to this file path. Actually it has created. I have created the same machine here. So just Control V, and here you can see Ubuntu already exists. So I am deleting all these. Now it will not raise any error. Now create. Now click on next. Now it is asking for provide username and password to set up. So I am providing my username. I'm setting up my username and password. So I am setting up as welcome, welcome, and here it is repeat the password, then welcome. So just click on next. Then now it is asking for provide the uh, memory. So base memory is 4 GB, it is 2 GB, 2 MB actually, so I have to provide some little bit. So you can so it is 2 GB actually, 2 GB, so it is enough for this. I am and two processors, and enable EFI special OSH only. No, so I'm not enabling it. Now pre-allocate full size. No. Use as existing virtual hard disk file. No. Do not add. So I am clicking on it. Create a virtual hard disk file. Disk now. Now click on next, and it is a summary of our operating system unattended. install username, product key is false, and host name, domain name is this, install in background false, install cached, and these are the details you can see. Then click on finish. Now our Ubuntu has been installed on our VirtualBox. Now it is opening automatically. So it is saying try or install. So it is opening. It will take some time at the start because it will take at the starting. It will take time to open the Ubuntu. So just wait for some minutes. So it is taking some time. I have not provided much memory, that is why it is taking. So here you can see it has been installed, but not showing the options of navigations. So just wait some more time. So verifying the installation and configuration. So just wait and watch until. So I am pausing this. Here you can see it is still taking too long time. So this is driving file. So wait more time. So it is also saying please wait. So just wait. So इसने करीब करीब 1 घंटे बाद इंस्टॉल किया और पासवर्ड मांग रहा है। तो मैंने वेलकम डाल रखा था तो मैंने दे भी दिया। सो वापस टाइम ले रहा है, लगता है मैंने मेमोरी इसकी कम तो स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर दी। सो साइन इन विद गूगल ऑनलाइन अकाउंट नहीं करना चाहता मैं अभी, skip for now, बाद में कर दूंगा। ये upgrade this machine to Ubuntu Pro for security updates on much wider range of packages until 2032। so मैं करना तो चाहता हूँ, so मैं enable कर देता हूँ, enable और next कर देता हूँ। so अपना इंस्टॉल कर दिया, मैं ऐसे ही enable कर रहा हूँ। enter the code on prod touch and or add a token manually। so from your admin, so upgrade this machine to Ubuntu Pro for security updates, और यहाँ पे जाना होगा तो free up to 5 machine। so अभी बाद में करूँगा ये सब, इसको cancel out करते हैं, skip for now, next। so the first report, Ubuntu can report information that help, इसको मैं बड़ा कर देता हूँ, help developer to improve this, ये मुझे नहीं जानते, yes send the system info to Cornelius, no। so next, अब ये अपना पूरा सेटअप बैठ गया है। सो ये तो बोल रहा कि यार रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहा, चलो रिस्पॉन्ड करना लग गया क्योंकि अपना मैंने दिया नहीं था। अच्छा, अब मैंने मेमोरी नहीं दी थी इसको ज़्यादा, इसलिए। सो यहाँ पे टर्मिनल में जाते हैं, टर्मिनल है या नहीं है। सबसे मेन इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ उबंटू या लिनक्स में तो टर्मिनल ही होता है। सो जस्ट चेक, कोई कमांड रन करते हैं, ls कमांड रन हो रहा है, सही है। और क्या कोई पाइथन है क्या इसमें प्री बिल्ट? पाइथन नहीं है। सो वैसे तो ये वीडियो पूरा हो गया कि हाउ टू इंस्टॉल द क्या है ये उबंटू ऑन वर्चुअल मशीन, जस्ट पाइथन मैंने सर्च करके देखा तो ये लगभग ये इंस्टॉल हो गया है। So thanks for watching this video. In next video, we will see how we can install Python in our virtual Ubuntu and also see how to install Python packages. So thanks for watching this video. Wait till the next one.